Hello again, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all of my subscribers for their great support. Today, we will begin to build our fiberglass containers to be made into deep water culture beds and gravel grow beds. I will subdivide this series into plug preparation and mold construction. This video will deal with the plug first. A plug is a representation of what we want in our final project. Hence, the dimensions and structures of the plug should copy the final product you would like to achieve. In my case, I am making a 4 feet by 2 feet by 15-inch tapered box as the size of my grow bed. First, I have to make a plan on how to build such a grow bed. Next, we can build our plug from materials readily available to us, ranging from wood, styrofoam, silicone, or even concrete. For this build, we will be using 1/2-inch plywood to construct my project. After constructing the rough plywood plug, we round off all the edges with a router in order to remove all corners and sand the whole project with a number 80 sandpaper. Next, we attach our bottom ridges to strengthen the base of the project and give it support not to buckle under pressure. In this project, we made use of 2 pieces 3.5 feet by 1/2 inch by 2 inch rounded plywood as our base support. We then paint the whole thing with a primer, then let it dry for 24 hours. That's the first day. The following day, we plug all holes and all uneven areas with putty filler, especially rounding the edges where the whole box meets with the lip of the project. After which, we let it dry and come back the following day. With the number 80 sandpaper, we smoothen the project until we get satisfied. If still unsatisfied with these results, we again place putty filler on all uneven surfaces and let dry for another 24 hours. Now we sand and clean the whole project until we are satisfied. I usually use number 80 grit, then 120 grit, then 200 grit, then 400 grit, and 800 grit sandpaper to reach the smoothness I am satisfied with. You can stop at 400 if it suits the project. Again, we repaint the whole thing with primer and let dry for 24 hours. The following day, we paint the project with acrylic top coat, let dry, and prepare the project for PVA and gel coat spray for the following day. After the acrylic top coat has cured, we need to wax the plug 10 times on all sides. Then we paint the whole thing with 2 to 3 coats of PVA release agent. These 2 instructions, I guess, are the most important procedures to ensure that you can release your plug from your mold. Then, we paint the whole plug with 2 to 3 coats of tooling gel coat. My apologies for not being able to record each and every step of the build. But basically, this was a carpentry, sanding, and painting job. The next part of the series is the fiberglassing of the plug to finally deliver us a mold. Again, thanks for watching. See you again on the next episode of this mini-series. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.